It was raining this morning, so I quickly rushed down to the backyard with my camera to show you guys the little farm I have. It's a little garden. Look at my pawpaw tree. It's looking so beautiful. I love it so much. I mean, look at how beautiful it is. Look at my yam leaves. Look how beautiful they are. And these are my tangerine, my grapefruit, orange, and lemon seedlings. Look at how beautiful they are. God is awesome. I love them so much. I mean, look at the yam leaf. Look at how greenish it is. How beautiful, how the nature makes things beautiful. I mean, look at the strawberries. My strawberries are so beautiful. They are looking so beautiful. They are growing well. I don't know how God gave me all these. I mean, after the rain, I rushed down to the backyard again with my camera to picture it after the rain. And I decided to give it a dream look. These are my neighbors' clothes. They hang clothes at the backyard. The wind is blowing them. And look at how beautiful these seedlings are. They are so beautiful. I mean, I love the dream look. I love the dream look. They are beautiful. Thank God. Look at the strawberry after the rain. This is the close shot of the strawberry after the rain. Are they not beautiful? Nature is beautiful. Nature is really beautiful. These are my tangerine seedling and lemon seedling. These are my coconut seedling, my guava seedling, and avocado seedlings. They are so beautiful. The pawpaw is already bringing out flower. Yeah, it's already bringing out flower. These are the yam leaves. Look at how greenish they are. Look how nourishing they are. These are the avocado pear seedlings, the guava seedlings, and the soursop seedlings. Yeah, soursop. This is soursop, yes. The coconut seedlings, avocado seedlings. I mean, many of them. I just say thank you to God Almighty for giving me all this. They are all planted in containers. You can try it out and see. It works. Yes, it works. I mean, the pawpaw is already flowering. Look at the yam from the other angle, from the back angle. Yes, this is the yam from the back angle. Are you not seeing how beautiful it looks? Nature is indeed beautiful. It's very beautiful. I love them so much. Look at how they are flourishing. Look at the orange seedlings. Look at how beautiful they are. I mean, God is awesome. God is wonderful. These are avocado pear. These are the seedlings of avocado pear seedlings. And then this is my tomato. I got 2 seeds from this particular tomato. And then these are the seedlings of pepper, but they are not yet out. And then I got 1 seed from this tomato. But in everything, I appreciate God. I appreciate God. These are 2 in this particular tree. I thank God so much for it. I appreciate God. I mean, looking at it makes me happy. I thank God so much for nature. Nature is beautiful. Look at how beautiful this avocado seedling is. Is it not beautiful? God is indeed awesome. God is awesome. See how beautiful this tomato seed is. I appreciate God. I appreciate God the Lord. And then these are the dream look again. This is the dream look again. Look at how beautiful they look. Thank you so much. God bless you for watching. Thank you.